Hello dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. In this video we'll discuss about this case study based question, and this question is taken from chapter statistics for class 10. So let's see what is in the question. The DAB public school organized a free health checkup camp for the 60 students of class 10. They have provided the BMI report to each student. This report estimates body fat and is a good measure of risk for diseases that can occur with overweight and obesity. On the basis of this report, the following graph is made with which describes the weight in kilogram of the students. So this is given graph here. So here in this question there are 60 students and their BMI report of the students is given here in the graph. So let's see what is in the report. Here if you see then a 40 to 44 kilogram weight. So on x-axis this is weight given in kilogram, and on y-axis number of students are given. So 40 to 44 kilogram weight is of 4 students here. So I am writing here 4. And then 44 to 48 kilogram weight, there are 6 students. And then 48 to 52, there are 10 students. And then 52 to 56, there are 14 students. And then it is 56 to 60, there are again 10 students. Then 60 to 64, there are 8 students. And then 64 to 68, there are 6 students. And 68 to 72, there are just 2 students. And these total students are 60. You can, if you add these all, these are 60 students. Okay, so let's see what is the first question here asked. Identify the model class in the given graph. So I want to tell you that what is model class. The class interval where there is maximum frequency is called model class. So you can see here where is the maximum frequency. So here 14 is the maximum frequency. So model class is 52 to 56. So its right answer is a D option, 52 to 56, because here the frequency is maximum 14. Here you can see on the graph also 52 to 56 there is maximum frequency, that is 14. So model class is 14 here. So the next question is calculate the mod weight of the student. So for finding the mod, so formula for mod is L plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So we can say this as F0 or F0 we can also speak. So what are these all terms? So first of all we will find out from here model class. So then model class is 52 to 56 that we have done in the last part. Okay, because here maximum frequency is here from 52 to 56. So model class is 52 to 56. So we'll write here model class is 52 to 56. So lower limit of model class is L. So L is 52 here, and then it is L, and frequency of model class is F1, and frequency of model class preceding the model class, that is F0, and the frequency of the class which is succeeding the model class, that is F2. Okay, so here F1 is 14, F0 is 10, and F2 is also 10 here, right? So we can fill the values, and H here the class size. So here you can see the size of these all class intervals is 4. So it is 4 here. So mod is L is 52 plus F1 is 14 minus F0 is 10 over 2F1, 2 into 14 is 28, minus F0 is 10, minus F2 is also 10. So into H is, that is 4. So let's see. So 52 plus 14 minus 10 is 4 over 28 minus 20, this is, that is 8 into 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, and 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 52 plus 2 is 54. So mode is 54 here. So from here D option is correct. So the next part is find the median weight of the students if the mean weight is 55.2 kilogram. So dear students, we have mode also 54 kilogram, we have mean also 55.2 kilogram. We have one empirical formula which relate the mean, median and mode. We will find out the median from that formula, and that formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this is empirical formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Where we use this formula? When from these three measures of central tendencies, we have two measures are given. Suppose mode and median is given, we can find out mean. If mean and mode is given, we can find out median. And in this question, we have mean given 55.2 and mode we have found out here 54. So we can find out median from there. So fill here mode as 54 is equal to 3 into median. Median we have to find out. Minus 2 into mean. Mean is given to us in this question 55.2. So let's see what will be there. 54 is equal to 3 median minus, so 55.2 into 2. So it is 2 2s are 4, 10, 1, 110.4. So it is 54 and this will come here. So it becomes plus 110.4 is equal to 3 median, right? So you can say here 3 median is, you add these, so it becomes 164.4. So median is 164.4 divided by 3. So let's see what will be there. So 3 5s are 15, 1 is left. 3 4s are 12, becoming left 2, so becoming 24. So 3 8s are 24. So 54.8. So first option is correct here. So again I tell you, this is called empirical formula, which is giving the relationship between these three central tendencies. Okay, mean, median, mode. So formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So next part is the lower limit of the model class is. So we have found that model class was 52 to 56. Okay, it was model class. So 52 to 56, the lower limit is 52, right? And the next is the empirical relationship between mean, median, mode is, I have told you already this, so that mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is B part is the correct option. So mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this way we will solve this question, which is related to case study and from statistics. So I hope you understood this question. Thank you so much.